for the next 3 hours. We'll be eating and drinking our way through the mission, and we'll be having 2 appetizers, 1 entree, and dessert. So welcome, guys. Our theme today is risk takers and food artists.
Hello, everybody. Cheers. How are you today? So we call these our chicken Sammies because they're little guys. They're like a little bigger than a slice.
So we'll tell you the stories of the owners and their journey. We'll try to bring the neighborhood to life for you. So guys, this is the women building. It's a very important building in the mission. The 7 different female artists started alluring donors by telling them, if you give us money, we'll inscribe the names of the most important women in your lives on the mural. We have built very strong relationships with the restaurants that we work with. Wherever we go, our table is ready. You'll never be standing outside a restaurant waiting for your food to come.
Margarita gave us a great introduction. Grab a baton. This is Alpha Tolman. What type of animal produced the milk that made Alpha Tolman?
Is this sheep?
It's also cow. We spent so much time arguing about where to eat. Yeah. Margarita took us to all the best places that have been vetted.
So guys, we're now here at Gracias Madre. The owners decided to do vegan Mexican cuisine. That's a major risk altogether. And this is made with Spanish wine. Salute, salute. Cheers.
The variety of food was amazing. We had so many foods from different cultures, and it was all so delicious.
So guys, we're here at Craftsman and Wolves. Now this is our last risk taker, and you'll be having the most wonderful desserts in the shape of a nest with toasted coconut. Inside you have a custard that is made of yuzu, which is a Japanese citrus, and whipped coffee. And you would think that the 2 flavors never go together, but boy, they do. This is more than just food. It's a taste of the neighborhood.